Hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about Masters of Computing Science at University of College CORK. But before that, if you're someone who is looking for study in Ireland, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of the doubts. MSc in Computing Science at University of College CORK is a full-time program that provides students with the advanced knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the software industry. The program covers a wide range of topics including software development, artificial intelligence, systems and networks, database and system security, and mobile multimedia. The MS program is divided into 2 semesters of thought modules followed by a research and a development project. The thought modules covers a variety of topics including algorithms and data structures, software engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer networks, data system, and security. The research and the development projects allow students to apply the skills they have learned in a real-world setting. Students work with the faculty advisor to develop a software applications or solve a research problem. The Masters of Computing Science is a full-time program and it is a duration of 12 months. The program consists of 90 credits, out of which 30 credits is for thought modules and 30 credits are for development and research projects. Coming to the ranking, the university ranked around 292 as per the QS World University ranking and 397 as per the best global universities. If we talk about the application fee, the university requires an application fee of around 50 euros during the application. Talking about the tuition fee, the university requires a tuition fee of around 25,000 euros to 26,000 euros on a yearly basis. Coming to the eligibility criteria that a student requires for applying for this program, the student need to score 2:1, that is 65% and above in their bachelor's degree, official transcripts, mark sheets, degree certificates, SOP, LOR and resume. Coming to the English Proficiency examination, the university accepts IELTS, TOEFL, PTE and Duolingo. IELTS score of 6.5 band, TOEFL score of 90, Duolingo score of 120 and PTE score of 63. Coming to the deadline, the university hasn't mentioned any specific deadlines. It is important to submit the applications at the earliest as Ireland has a major intake, that is the September intake, and it is suggested to students to start their application process by December. The university offers scholarships and financial aid to all of the international students. You can check out the link in the description box below. Now coming to the employment and the salary. The average base salary of an alumni graduated from this university specifically for computing science ranges between 40,000 euros to 55,000 euros on a per year basis. It is important to note that the salary changes according to one's profile, location and more importantly the career background. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.